Yeah, Kiki!
You know what they said? They said, does that little girl know her numbers? she was bringing out the wrong numbers.
I know. Look at her ride. It's hard when you're down there and they're in a cluster to try. I'd be like, what? Coming back! Coming back! Rose, behind ya! Jeez. She's like, whoa.
Michaela says, you get down there, you look at them, and they're just all together. Well, that's kind of the object.
Get that 6 out of there.
Help me, Kayla. Help me. You got that. Come on.
No, he doesn't got that.
Yeah, he got it out. He just rode it around.
I know, Bruce is out there. Like he says, get back in there. And so I started to go back in there, and he goes, no, back here. You gotta be more specific.
Oh, shit! Oh my gosh! Did you get the cow doing that?
No, I got Bruce.
Look at the cow. It's like, oh my gosh, I think I have a concussion.
So I'm gonna be trying to
Don't let him back in the hole.
One of the good try, but unfortunately you did charge the pen. The horse went in way past the girth, so unfortunately I cannot give you a time for that. But good try. Spring call for team number 30, Kristen, Natalie, and Justin.
Who went in? Bruce went